Hi, Ashutosh come back with yet another topic. Today's topic is very touched by my heart. That is that you cannot change the direction of wind, but you can adjust the sail. It's very important from today's aspects. Like we all are in lockdown situation, just come and we are at unlock stage one. We just seeing that how the we have remained around 60-65 days in lockdown and various things has changed, but we not stopped. We just changed the medium. Now the education now shifted to online system, and even our parliament, which is going to be opening his session, it was also going in a different format. There could be possibility they go for the online systems. So we just keep on finding solutions instead of just changing again and again our direction or our target. We just finding that how can we go ahead and find the solution of it instead of just waiting for it. Somebody come and then all the things get normalized, then we work out. So we have to think about the solution centric approach always brings more results. That is, and if I go and see one legend name who has made all the things possible with this mindset that if we cannot change the direction of wind, we should keep on adjust our sail. So name which comes in my mind, it is he is the one legend who discovered the concept of black hole, and he is Stephen Hawking. You must know about him, how his life has changed. He is a very good student, and he also known as a Einstein at his childhood because of his knowledge and his scientific approach and all. He has the skills, but because of a disease that called a neuron motor disease, he got paralyzed, and his life now are on his wheelchair. But he not stopped there. Also, he again continue work on it, his skills, and he continue by just making the devices more and more advanced. And in wheelchair he continues his work, and he writes many of books, and he gives us lots of concept of science, and he also a part of discovery of black hole. So that's the thing that you cannot stop by just looking the situations, what the external situations are there. You should be motivated from inside, and you should look for the solutions. Like in corona, if we go, I think corona is have given the lot of opportunity to all of us to look, reflect back what can be the possible solution for us, and we just finding out this. Even a lot of our meetings are nowadays going on in Zoom and various other platforms as MS Team, WebEx, all this. So we just find out the solution that how can be people live at home and they can do work well. We just were investing lots of money in going in webinars and meetings at bigs and hotels and connecting each other in these kind of platforms, and just all this stuff which is not very essential also, just to conveying any message you can convey with this kind of platform also. But we have this kind of tendency, but this COVID-19 has given the newer mindset that without expending lot of money in these kind of setups, we can convey the message with these platforms also. Like we are connected with this technology only. So what we did, we not change our direction. We just not change our sail. We just keep on our sail with the direction of wind. So we just keep on. So I think life should be taken in this way. Just things should be go on. One of the ones of the one of famous dialogue of Shah Rukh Khan, it is there, na? Show must go on. So we just keep this. Thank you.